The hottest bathroom design trends for 2023. 100 modern bathroom design ideas and fantastic DIY remodel ideas to transform your space. Just keep watching. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to your channel, HD Interiors, where we explore the latest trends and provide valuable insights into interior design. Today, we're diving into the world of bathrooms. In this video, we'll be discussing the hottest bathroom design trends for 2023 and some fantastic DIY remodel ideas to transform your space. So, let's get started. Our first trend for 2023 is all about creating a spa-like experience in your bathroom. People are increasingly seeking tranquility and relaxation within their own homes, and the bathroom is the perfect place to achieve that. Consider incorporating elements such as natural materials like wood and stone, soft lighting, and soothing color palettes to create a serene ambiance. Installing a rainfall shower head or a luxurious freestanding bathtub can add that extra touch of indulgence. Next up, we have the minimalist bathroom design trend. In 2023, the less is more approach is gaining immense popularity. Embrace clean lines, clutter-free spaces, and a monochromatic color scheme to create an effortlessly elegant look. Wall-mounted vanities, concealed storage solutions, and frameless glass shower enclosures are excellent choices to achieve that minimalist aesthetic. Don't forget to focus on quality materials and thoughtful details to elevate the overall design. Now, let's talk about incorporating technology into your bathroom. Smart features are becoming increasingly prevalent, making your daily routine more convenient and efficient. Consider installing smart mirrors with built-in lighting and Bluetooth connectivity, touchless faucets, and programmable shower systems. These technologies not only add a modern touch, but also enhance functionality and energy efficiency. DIY remodel ideas are a great way to transform your bathroom without breaking the bank. One popular option is to give your cabinets a fresh look by painting them or replacing the hardware. You can also update your bathroom fixtures, such as faucets and shower heads, to more contemporary styles. Another budget-friendly idea is to replace your outdated flooring with vinyl or ceramic tiles, which are both durable and stylish. Another DIY project that can make a big impact is updating your bathroom backsplash. A new backsplash can add visual interest and serve as a focal point in the space. You can choose from various materials, such as ceramic or porcelain tiles, glass mosaics, or even peel and stick options for an easier installation process. Let your creativity shine as you explore different patterns and color combinations. One fantastic way to give your bathroom a fresh look is by updating the vanity area. You can achieve this by refinishing, or painting, the existing vanity cabinets. A fresh coat of paint, in a trendy color, can completely transform the space. You can also replace the cabinet hardware with modern and stylish options to enhance the overall aesthetic. One area that often gets overlooked in bathroom remodels is the flooring. Upgrading your flooring can significantly enhance the overall aesthetic of the space. You can choose from options like vinyl, ceramic, or porcelain tiles, or even laminate flooring designed specifically for bathrooms. Explore different textures, patterns, and sizes to find the perfect flooring option that suits your style and practical needs. And there you have it, the latest bathroom design trends, and some fantastic DIY remodel ideas to inspire your projects in 2023. Whether you're looking to create a spa-like retreat, embrace minimalism, incorporate smart features, or give your bathroom a makeover on a budget, there's something for everyone. Remember, the key to successful bathroom design is to combine aesthetics with functionality. Think about your needs, preferences, and the available space to make informed decisions. Be sure to plan your projects carefully, consider consulting professionals if needed, and enjoy the process of transforming your bathroom into a beautiful and functional oasis. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more design inspiration. Also, don't forget to leave a comment below, sharing your favorite bathroom design trend for 2023, or any ideas you have for a DIY bathroom remodel. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy designing!